Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
The student records a gas volume of 44.50 milliliters from the tube scale. The atmospheric pressure 0.970 minus 0.0246, using the ideal gas law N equals PV over RT with the experiment's temperature. Mass calculation should be corrected by using the mass of butane lost by the container, 0.101 grams, instead of the initial mass. From 0 in O2 to -2 in H2O, the entropy change in S is positive because the moles of gas increase from 7.5 to 9.
Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.